Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.Pro, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a free Minecraft Java Edition server. I'll also be giving you some configuration tips near the end, so stay tuned. Firstly, you need to create an account. You can do that by entering your email and new password and pressing the sign up button. After that, you'll have to activate your account to proceed. To do that, you'll need to go to your email inbox. You should then see an email from us asking to confirm and activate your account. All you have to do is click the green button and your account is ready. However, if you don't see the green button, simply copy the link at the bottom and paste it into your browser. To proceed, make sure to log into your account, and from here you should be able to create your own server. Here you can see we have 3 server plans: Free, Premium and Pro, as well as the VPS plans. Pro and VPS plans having the most features available, such as allowing your service to be hosted in more countries. If you're not sure what plan to go with though, you can contact our support team and we'll be happy to help you. If you head to the pricing page, you'll see all the general features available for each plan, as well as the specific features for different games. As you can see here, when Minecraft Java is selected, it'll tell you how many players and plugins are allowed on a free server. Firstly, select a plan. I'll be using the free one right here. Then select the country you want it to be hosted in. For the free plan, you are only able to select 2 countries. However, if you upgrade to the Pro plans, you'll have more options. If your location isn't there, simply select the one closest to you or your player base. You don't have to live in the same country you're selecting. If you scroll down, you are now able to select the game. I'll be choosing the Minecraft Java Edition option. Below that, you're also able to select the server type. We have several types here, ranging from vanilla to spigot to craft bucket. You'll need a premium or pro plan if you want to select the forge and mod pack options. You can then select the version you want your server to be. Don't forget to set your hostname, as that's what you'll need to connect to your server later, but then you're free to click create at the bottom. To join your server, you need to find your hostname or IP. These are on your server control panel. Here on the dashboard, you'll see your hostname as well as the IP. All that's left to do now is open up your Java game to join your server. When the game is launched, press multiplayer and then add server. You can set your server name to whatever you want, but for the address, you'll need to copy either the hostname at the dashboard or the IP address and paste it into your game. When that's done, simply press join. The first time you try to log in, it may take a while for the world to load, so please be patient. After it's loaded in though, you can explore your brand new server. If you're interested in changing things like the server difficulty, you can configure that by accessing your server control panel. Then click on the Files tab and open the Server.Properties file. Here you can change things such as the difficulty, view distance, and the MOTD. Before continuing, make sure to save file to confirm the changes and quickly restart your server. If you're interested in enabling game commands such as changing tick speed or keeping inventory upon death, you should head to the console and type in your desired command. It's important to note that you don't need to use a / when typing the commands in though. We'll also be leaving a link to a wiki page where you can find all the commands available. Keep in mind that you will have to renew the free server every hour for it to remain open. Alternatively, you can upgrade your server to any paid plans for your server to remain open 24/7. Lastly, if you want to know how to OP yourself or someone else, we have tutorials for that on our channel, so we'll leave a link to these in the description. If you have any further questions about your server, contact our support team and they'll reply to your email as soon as possible. Well, that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!